The CE-CPUPM-6 is a large format universal pendant mount solution designed for larger cameras and devices that require additional mounting space and flexibility. It's ideal for larger domes, multi-sensor cameras, access points, specialty devices, and other commercial installations where standard-sized pendant mounts may be too small. Simply align the device to the mounting plate, secure it with the included self-tapping screws, and cam lock it into place on the top of the pendant cap for a quick, secure installation. Designed for rapid installation in commercial and retail environments, the CE-CPUPM-6 supports nearly any hole pattern up to 5 3/4 inches in diameter. It works with large dome cameras, multi-sensor cameras, fisheye cameras, access points, motion sensors, and other specialty ceiling-mounted devices. The mount supports both center cable pass-through and side cable port devices for maximum compatibility. Installation is simple and flexible. The CE-CPUPM-6 mounts directly to all CP series telescoping camera poles or any standard 1.5" female NPS fitting. Available in both white and black finishes, the CE-CPUPM-6 delivers a clean, secure, and highly versatile pendant mount solution for a wide variety of larger devices.